Hello friends, welcome back to the CapCut video editing tutorial. In today's CapCut tutorial, we're going to create a glow text with animation effect that will instantly grab attention and give your edits a stylish modern look. This effect is perfect for intros, titles, or anywhere you want your text to stand out on screen. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from adding text, applying glow, adjusting colors, to creating smooth animations that bring your text to life. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a glowing animated text that looks clean, professional, and ready to use in any type of video. I've already added a video to the timeline. Now, insert a default text and select a bold font. Change the text as you like. Next, select the first part of the text and change the color to green. Then, select the second part and change it to red. Now, enable the glow option. But here's the issue. CapCut allows only one glow color for the entire text. I want green glow for the green text and red glow for the red text. To solve this, we'll use multiple text layers. Copy and paste the text. To create a duplicate, place both layers on the same timeline and align them so they look like one single text. Change the second one to red. Now, select the green text, enable glow, and set the glow color to green. Select the red text, enable glow, and it automatically applies red glow. Perfect. Now select both texts and increase the range value to 100. You can also try different values for different results. For animation, go to Animation in tab, choose Type 1 and set it to 1 second. Then, go to Animation Out tab, choose Type 2 and set it to 1 second as well. Right now, both texts start and end at the same time. To fix this, move the second text forward by 1 second. Also, extend the duration of both texts to 4 seconds. Now the effect looks perfect. Let's try something different. Add another default text. Select bold font. Make 2 duplicate copies and place them on the same timeline. Change the content and set their positions nicely. Now, increase the size of all 3 texts. Change the color of the first and third. Enable glow on all 3. And set the range to 100. For animation, go to the Animation in tab, select Fly In, set the duration to 1 second. For Animation Out, select Vril and set the duration to 1 second. To make it smoother, increase the duration of the first and second text. And that's it. You've successfully created glowing animated text effects in CapCut. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe for more creative editing tricks.